Building blocks for quoting and citing using APA format. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use quotations and citations in your paper. When you use exact words, phrases, or sentences from your sources, such as this one, you need to make sure to give credit to the original author. If you don't, you might get a Turnitin report like this, with a high similarity score. If you do not quote and cite the words you use from another author, Turnitin will indicate this by highlighting the exact words and phrases from that source. To avoid a high score on your Turnitin report, this tutorial will show you how to correctly use information from another author. Once you have selected a quote that you want to use, copy it into your paper. Next, you will need to add quotation marks at the beginning and end of the quote. Then you need to provide a citation for the quote, which acknowledges the author and also shows the reader where the quote can be found. Citations start with a parenthesis, followed by the last name of the author, then a comma, and the year of publication, which is followed by another comma. Then you list the page number where the quote can be found, using a lowercase p with a period and the page number. To finish the citation, include a closing parenthesis. Also, note that when quoting, the punctuation gets moved from the end of the quote to the end of the citation, after the parenthesis. So now you have correctly quoted and cited the original author for the information you want to use. Last but not least, don't forget to include a reference listing your source. APA building blocks for quoting and citing.
And one more time.
APA building blocks for quoting and citing. I don't really like that one.
No.
APA building blocks for quoting and citing. To avoid a high score on your Turnitin report, this tutorial will show you how to correctly use information from another author using APA formatting. One more time.
Great. One more time.
To avoid a high score on your Turnitin report, this tutorial will show you how to correctly use information from another author using APA formatting.
Okay, one more time, a little more slowly.
Okay, and just do you like APA formatting or APA formatting?
I like the first one.
Okay. Slower you said though? In
A
total?
little bit.
Okay.